It's like hibiscus flower.
Test, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
This boutique shop open every day, start
Yeah.
from 11 o'clock in the morning until 7 p.m.
So this is the chapel.
Yes, please.
Wow.
And then
So
we
it's on
have-
the cliff.
we have-
Okay.
The elevator from here.
Yes. Oh wow. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now still in Bali, but I'm now in another area, in the Nusa area. And I'm at a boutique, a luxury boutique property called the Samabi Bali Suites and Villas. Okay, location-wise, it's just next to the Ritz Carlton. So I stayed at Ritz Carlton last time and see this wonderful property, so I'm booking it this time to try. And it is so good. You know, I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So when I walk in, okay, you know, that's the door. When I walk in, that's the mini bar. Okay, in my package, everything is included. So the mini bar is included. The water is included. There is the coffee and kettle, coffee machine and kettle. Okay, the only thing that is not included is alcoholic drinks, which is not even in here. Or do they stop it somewhere? Nope. Okay, so everything is included. Okay. Okay, so coming right in is a living room area, you know, with a tasteful underneath painting, you know, the decor and everything. It's very nice. Okay, so stepping out, you know, from this living room, although it's open concept, but still, you can see it's kind of private with the partner and things like that. Okay. So here, okay, is the work desk area. And then, wow, you know, I have to do this. So you see, yep, that's the ocean view. So this is the king size bed. You know, really high quality, thick mattress, linen, pillows and things like that. Okay, they have kind of a red decor for this room. Okay. So my room, the bed is facing the ocean. So that's the view that I will be waking up to. Okay, so now another interesting thing is they have a stand-up telescope. So if you're interested to observe wildlife, birds, anything in the ocean and such, that will be what you'll be using. I think it's pretty cool to take photos anyway. Okay, so that is another official work area, not just the bench at the back. And then again, this is the decor. Okay, so I can walk in from here to the bathroom, or I can go back and walk in from here, so you have the complete view. Okay, so when I walk in here, on my left is actually a huge walk-in closet area. So they put my luggage here, 2 bathrobes, and then the safe deposit box, the laundry bag and such, mosquito repellent, charger, the slippers. Okay, and again, the nice and comfortable bathrobes. Okay, and they have the single sink, but they do have another bottle of water for teeth brushing. And then that is their soup and lotion, their amenities. Okay. And okay, this is the toilet. And this is their shower. I'm just trying, okay, it's great. Thick, fluffy towels that they have. So they have like kind of a massage type of shower hat. Okay, and then the amenities kit, the shower, shampoo, and conditioner. So over this side, one decor piece, and then the hair dryer over here. Okay, so now the highlight. Oh, actually, they got double sink. It's not in the same place. So they got another sink here. So like ladies and gentlemen, they have double. So the highlight here is this bathtub, which is facing directly to the ocean. It's like a double-sized bathtub. Oh wow. Okay. So this is great for couples, honeymooners alike. And whether you believe or not, I'm here for work, so my colleague is coming to join me for a meeting. But I'm enjoying this room. Okay. So back here is the welcome fruit, with my name on, and then with the general manager's welcome note as well. Television. Okay, so now the balcony. They say I have to keep it closed all the time. If not, the friends, the monkey may come in and steal the food. But I can go out and close the door, and then I'll be fine. So I'm going to come out and show you the view. So this is the balcony. That can sit here, and then facing right to the bathtub. Okay, now this is the $1 million view. And from my room, I have very easy access to the beach as well. So I just walk out and take an elevator down, and then I'll be at the beach area. So I'm going to go down in a bit and show you more. So I'm going to be here for one night, and pretty exciting to be here. We'll be going out for dinner tonight. I hope I can open it. Oh no. Okay, so, yep, okay, I do not get stuck here. So you see, this is all Atlantic, what I experience. So anyway, I'm going to have breakfast here tomorrow, and then I'm going to have dinner with my colleague tonight. And I will show you the restaurants, the food, and everything. So just follow me.
Carlton breakfast zone.
Yep.
The
Right.
garlic ranch, honey butter, balsam vinegar, and olive oil.
Okay.
Just the
Amuse-bouche?
tuna, yes, amuse-bouche.
Yeah.
Tuna poke taco is the raw fish with the soy sauce.
Perfect.
Please,
Thank you. Perfect.
Some is like a beer on top and basil pesto on the side.
Great.
Yes, and then this one for you is
Thank you so much.
so it's not with salted mushroom on the inside and then also with from duxel on the side.
Yeah. Looks great.
So may I pour it out? With sauce on the side. And then this one for the chili pepper, please.
Thank you.
Alright.
Good morning, Bali. I'm preparing for a lovely milk bath this morning.